Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I am Alex.
And I am Linda. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Absolutely. Whether you are at home, on the bus, at the gym, or just relaxing, thank you for being here with us.
Today, we are talking about 3 forms of one of the most used verbs in the English language.
This verb appears in almost every conversation, every story, every plan.
We are talking about go, went, and going.
For example, I go to the gym every morning. She went to the market yesterday. He is going to school right now.
These 3 words all come from the same verb, to go, but they are used in completely different situations.
A lot of learners mix them up, and that leads to sentences that sound unnatural or incorrect.
By the end of this episode, you will understand all 3 forms completely.
You will know exactly when to use go, when to use went, and when to use going.
You will feel confident, and your English will sound much more natural.
This episode is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners, everything in simple words.
Before we begin, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
Okay, let us get started. Section 1, the big picture. Meet go, went, and going.
First, let's understand where these 3 words come from.
They all come from the same base verb, to go, one of the most irregular and important verbs in English.
Go is the base form, also called the present simple form, used for habits and general truths.
Go is the base form, also called the present simple form, used for habits and general truths.
Went is the past simple form, used for completed actions in the past.
Going is the present participle, the ing form, used in continuous tenses and many other structures.
Just remember, present is go, past is went, ing form is going.
Think of it like 3 different tools in the same toolbox, same job, different situations.
Use the right tool at the right time, and your English will sound natural and correct.
Now let's look at each one carefully with lots of examples, starting with go. Section 2, go, all the ways to use it.
Go is the base form of the verb, and it has many important uses.
Use 1. Use go in the present simple to talk about habits, routines, and things you do regularly.
I go to the gym 3 times a week. A regular habit, something you do again and again.
She goes to work by bus every day. Notice with he, she, and it, we add s. She goes, he goes, it goes.
They go to church every Sunday. He goes to bed at 10 every night. Regular routines.
I go, you go, we go, they go. But he goes, she goes, it goes. Always add s for he, she, it.
Use 3. Use go after modal verbs. Words like can, will, must, should, would, might.
After a modal verb, always use the base form, so always go, never goes, never went, never going.
I can go with you tomorrow. She must go to the doctor. We should go now. Modal plus base form.
He will go to the interview on Monday. They might go to the concert. You should go home and rest.
The rule is simple. Modal plus base form, and go is the base form, so go always comes after modals.
Section 3. Went. All the ways to use it.
Now let's look at went, the past simple form of go.
Went is used for completed actions in the past, things that happened and are finished.
Use 1. Use went to talk about a specific action in the past, something that happened at a particular time.
I went to the supermarket this morning. It happened, it's finished. Simple past.
She went to her friend's house yesterday. Specific time in the past, completed action.
They went to a concert last Friday. He went to bed early last night. Past and done.
We went on holiday in July. I went to the dentist last week. Specific past events.
Went is the same for all subjects. I went, you went, he went, she went, we went, they went. Always went, no changes.
Use to. Use went to tell stories and describe sequences of events in the past.
Yesterday morning, I woke up, went to the kitchen and made breakfast, a sequence of past events.
She arrived at the station, went to the platform, and waited for the train. Story in the past.
He finished work, went home and cooked dinner. One action led to the next, all in the past.
When you tell a story about the past, went keeps the narrative moving, connecting one past action to the next.
Use 3. Use went with specific past time expressions.
The words that often appear with went are yesterday, last week, last month, last year, last night, ago, in 2020, this morning, on Monday.
She went to Paris last summer. We went to the theater 2 weeks ago. He went to the meeting this morning. Whenever you use one of these past time expressions, your verb should be in the simple past, so use went, not go or goes.
Use 4. Use went in negative sentences in the past with did not or didn't.
I did not go to the party last night. Notice, when you use did not, the verb goes back to base form, go.
Wrong. I did not went to the party. Never use went after did not.
Correct. I did not go to the party. After did not, always base form, go, not went.
She did not go to work yesterday. They did not go to the wedding. Did not plus go, always. Exercise 4. Going. All the ways to use it.
Now let us look at going, the ing form, and this one has some very exciting uses.
Use 1. Use going in the present continuous for actions happening right now, at this moment.
I am going to the shop. Do you need anything? Right now, in progress, happening at this moment.
She is going home early today. Happening now or around now, in progress.
They are going to the airport. He is going to a job interview right now.
The structure is subject plus am or is or are plus going. It is always a form of to be plus going.
I am going, you are going, he is going, she is going, we are going, they are going.
Use 2. Use going in the present continuous to talk about future plans, things already arranged.
I am going to London next week. A future plan, already arranged, already decided.
We are going to a wedding on Saturday. Planned, booked, arranged, it is happening.
She is going to a conference in March. A future arrangement, already in the diary.
The present continuous with going for future plans is very natural in everyday spoken English.
Are you going to the party on Friday? A question about a future arrangement, very natural.
Use 4. Use going after prepositions, because after a preposition, we always use the ing form.
Thank you for going with me. For is a preposition. Going follows.
She was tired of going to the same place every year. Of is a preposition. Going follows.
I am thinking about going back to school. About is a preposition. Going follows.
He left without going to the doctor. Without is a preposition. Going follows.
The rule, preposition plus verb, always use the ing form. So, foregoing, about going, without going, before going, after going.
Section 6. Go versus went versus going, side by side.
Now let us put all three side by side. Same topic, different forms, so you feel the difference.
Topic: visiting the market.
I go to the market every Saturday. Present simple, a regular Saturday habit.
I went to the market yesterday. Past simple, happened yesterday, completed and done.
I am going to the market right now. Do you want anything? Present continuous, happening now.
Same place, same person, 3 different time frames, 3 different forms.
Topic, school.
She goes to school by bus every day. Present simple, her daily routine.
She went to school early this morning because she had a test. Past simple, specific past event.
She is going to school right now. Present continuous, happening at this moment.
Topic, the gym.
He goes to the gym 3 times a week. Present simple, regular habit.
He went to the gym before work today. Past simple, completed action earlier today.
He is going to the gym after dinner tonight. Present continuous, future plan already arranged. Section 6. Common mistakes and how to fix them.
Mistake 1. Using went after did not or did in questions.
Wrong. I did not went to school yesterday. Never went after did not.
Correct. I did not go to school yesterday. After did not, always base form go.
Wrong. Did she went to the party? Never went after did in a question.
Correct. Did she go to the party? After did, always base form go.
This is one of the most common mistakes at the beginner level. Remember, did and did not bring the verb back to base form.
Mistake 2. Using go instead of went for a completed past action.
Wrong. I go to the cinema last night. Last night is past. Use went.
Correct. I went to the cinema last night. Past time expression, always past form went.
Wrong. She go to the hospital yesterday. Yesterday signals past. Use went.
Correct. She went to the hospital yesterday. Always went for completed past actions.
Mistake 3. Missing to be before going in the continuous form.
Wrong. I going to the office right now. Missing am.
Correct. I am going to the office right now. Always need am, is, or are before going.
Wrong. She going to the dentist tomorrow. Missing is.
Correct. She is going to the dentist tomorrow. Is must come before going.
Mistake 4. Using going instead of go after modal verbs.
Wrong. I will going to the shop later. Never use going directly after a modal.
Correct. I will go to the shop later. Modal plus base form. Always go.
Wrong. She must going to the doctor. Must is a modal. Base form follows.
Correct. She must go to the doctor. Always base form after modal verbs.
Mistake 5. Using goes instead of go after I, you, we, they.
Wrong. I goes to work at 8 every morning. Goes is only for he, she, it.
Correct. I go to work at 8 every morning. I takes go, not goes.
Wrong. They goes to the park on weekends. They takes go, not goes.
Correct. They go to the park on weekends. Only he, she, and it take goes.
Section 7. Real-life conversations.
Situation 1. Talking about daily routines and a recent trip.
Do you go to the gym regularly?
Yes, I go every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning. I went this morning, actually.
How was it? Did you go with anyone?
I went alone today, but usually my friend comes with me. We are going together on Wednesday.
Go for the regular habit, 3 times a week. Went for this morning, completed past action.
Going in the continuous, the arranged plan for Wednesday, already decided.
Situation 2. Making plans and talking about the past.
Are you going to Maria's birthday dinner on Saturday?
Yes, I'm going with my sister. We're so excited. Did you go to her party last year?
I did not go last year. I was traveling, but I went to her dinner the year before. It was wonderful.
I think this year is going to be even better. She's planning something special.
Going for future arrangement, Saturday plan. Go for the question about past habit with did.
Went for the completed past experience 2 years ago. Going to for the confident prediction.
Situation 3. An everyday family conversation.
Where are the children? I thought they were home.
They're going to football practice. The coach called and changed the time to this afternoon.
Oh, right. Did they go last week too?
Yes, they went on Tuesday and Thursday. They go every week now. They love it.
I should go and watch one of their practices sometime.
You should. I'm going to their match next Saturday. Come with me.
Going for the current action happening now, they're on their way. Went for last week, completed past.
Go for the regular weekly habit, should go, modal plus base form. Going to for the arranged Saturday plan.
Quick review. Everything you learned today.
3 forms, go, went, going, all from the same verb, all used in different situations.
Go, the base form, for present habits and routines, for general truths, after modal verbs, in imperatives, and in infinitives with to.
He goes, she goes, it goes. Always add s for he, she, and it in the present simple.
Went, the past simple, for completed actions in the past, for stories in the past. Always the same for every subject.
After did not and did, always go back to base form go. Never use went after did or did not.
Going, the ing form, in the present continuous, for actions happening now, for future plans already arranged, after going to, for intentions and predictions, after prepositions, and after verbs like enjoy, keep, and stop.
Always use am, is, or are before going in continuous tenses. Never skip to be.
Never use going after modal verbs. Always use base form go after can, will, must, should, would, and might.
Key question to ask yourself, is this a habit? Use go. Is this the past? Use went. Is this happening now or a future plan? Use going.
Final message. You're making real progress.
Go, went, going. 3 forms, 3 different jobs, and now you understand all 3.
These words appear in every conversation, every story, every plan, every routine.
Mastering these 3 forms will make your everyday English sound so much more natural and correct.
Start today with 3 sentences of your own.
Write 1 sentence with go about something you do regularly.
Write 1 sentence with went about something you did in the past.
Write 1 sentence with going about something happening now or future plan.
Those 3 sentences will help move this grammar into your natural speaking. Try it right now.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more lessons every single week.
Leave a comment below with your 3 sentences. We read every single one and we love hearing from you.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing every single day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!